Nasir and I study in grade 3. Today I am here to present my science model, which is germination of seeds. Firstly, I will explain you what is germination. Germination is the process in which a seeds grow and develop to be a plant. Sunlight, air and water plays an important role in this process. When the conditions are right, seeds absorb water and the seed pod breaks. After that, the embryo inside begins to grow and develop. After this, the roots begins to grow downwards and the shoots begins to grow upwards. During this process, seed synthesizes proteins and enzymes which help the plant to grow fast. After that, during germination, the seedling is ready to be transferred into the soil so it can continue growing. Thank you.